Hello everyone, at ito na nga po. We are now on our third video for this week's topic, which is triangle inequalities. So let's get started. Okay, so ano na lang ba ang natitira sa ating objective? We are done with exterior angle inequality theorem, and we're also done with the three triangle inequality theorems. Okay, so pareha na silang may check. So we are left with the Hinge theorem and the converse of Hinge theorem. These two. Okay. Na-mention natin during the first video that inequalities in triangles are divided into two. So we have those that are involving only one triangle. And yun nga, yung i-discuss natin today, which involves two triangles. Okay. So yan, ipapakita po natin yan. So today, i-focus natin yung Hinge theorem. Okay, so that's the main one because yung converse of Hinge theorem naman ay something secondary dahil kabaliktaran lang siya ng Hinge theorem. Okay, the Hinge theorem states that if two sides of two triangles are congruent and the included angle is different, then the angle that is larger is opposite the longer side. Okay, to better explain, magbigay tayo ng example. So here we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So kakasabi lang na for this theorem, we have two triangles. Okay. So if you look closely, okay, we have corresponding congruent sides. Dalawa, to be exact. Diba? Nakalagay yun, naka-indicate yun sa theorem na they have two congruent sides. So we have line segment AC is congruent to line segment DF. Pareho silang 3 centimeters. And then line segment AB is congruent to line segment DE with 6 centimeters apiece. Okay, so, ayan. And then we take a look at the included angles. Okay, when we say included angles, yung na-sandwich nitong dalawang sides na to. Ayan. So, for the first triangle, ang included angle niya is angle A. And for the second triangle, ang included angle naman niya ay angle D. Okay. I forgot to mention also na, yan, in this particular example kasi, pinakita niya kung ano yung sukat ng mga congruent sides. Pero not all the time, naka-indicate siya. Most of the time, ang makikita lang natin is yung markers. No? This marker indicates na congruent nga ang line segment AC and line segment DF. And these two marks indicates na ang kakongruent niya is yung meron ding two marks. Okay? So, ayan. So, we have angle A and angle D. Let us show the relationship between these two angles. So, angle D is greater than angle A. Yan. So, baka kasi tanungin nyo, ma'am, congruent naman yung kanilang two sides. So, bakit magkaiba yung sukat ng angles? Yep, pwede naman po yun, di ba? In the first triangle, mas maliit yung opening niya compared to the opening of angle D. That is why, kapag mineasure siya, mas malaki yung sukat ni angle D. But still, naka-retain na 3 cm and 6 centimeters yung kanyang two sides. So, yung opening lang, kaya mas malaki yung, nag-iiba yung sukat ng angles. Yan. Now, do sa second part ng theorem, sabi, yung opposite side daw nung angle, no included angle. So, ang opposite side ni angle D is line segment EF. At yung opposite side ni angle A is line segment BC. If they have the same relationship as the angles, then we will have line segment EF is greater than line segment BC. So, ganun lamang po. Ganun lang kasimple yung Hinge theorem. We have to consider two triangles having two congruent sides. And then we take a look at the given, that ang given natin dito for the Hinge theorem ay yung angles, included angles. Yun daw, bigger angle, yung opposite side niya would be the longer side compared dun sa opposite side ng smaller angle. Yan. So, yun po siya. For the next one, ayan, same triangles actually, pero kata nyo, iba yung given. This time, hindi na pinakita yung mga measurement ng sides. Ang pinakita na measurement nung congruent sides. Ang pinakita na lang is yung markers, na? Para alam natin na congruent sila. Instead, ang given ay yung dalawang third sides. Diba? 7 cm and 8.5 cm. So, let's compare those sides. So, line segment EF is greater than line segment BC. So, this time around, dahil ang given is yung length ng third side, let's take a look at yung opposite angle niya. So, ang opposite angle ng line segment EF is angle D, at ang opposite angle ng line segment BC is angle A. So, using the same relationship, we have angle D is greater than angle A. Na-mention na rin before na pwede itong baliktad, no? If we start off with angle A, then angle A is less than angle D. Same doon sa line segment. Pag inuna natin mention yung line segment BC, then line segment BC is less than line segment EF. Yan. So this time, this is what we call the converse of Hinge theorem. Yan. Okay. So that concludes our lesson for this week. For the second week, actually continuation siya. No? I-apply pa natin itong mga natutunan natin this week. Kaya, wag niyo muna siyang kakalimutan. Sana fresh na fresh pa sila sa inyo para during the discussion of our topic next week, ay mai-apply niyo sila ng mabuti. Okay, thank you everyone. Stay tuned for the next videos. Take care and bye-bye.